In this video, I'm reviewing Reclaim.ai, a smart scheduling tool powered by artificial intelligence that promises to help you take control of your time. We'll look at how it works, walk you through its key features, explore real-world examples, and cover its pricing and limitations. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of what Reclaim.ai can do for you and if it's the right fit for the way you work. Now, quick note before we start, if you're serious about building a successful online business, I put together a free guide that breaks down the top 10 tools every founder should be using. These are the tools that help you launch faster, automate smarter, and scale with less stress. You can grab the full list from the link below. And if you already know Reclaim.ai is the right fit for you after watching this video, my affiliate link is in the description as well. No extra cost to you, and it does help support the channel. Thank you very much, and now let's get started. Let's start with the problem Reclaim.ai is trying to solve. If you ever felt like you're constantly running from meeting to meeting, juggling endless tasks, and never finding time for the things that matter most, well, you're not alone. Many of us spend more time managing our schedules than actually working on what's important. And even when we block off time for ourselves, maybe a workout, maybe focus time, it often gets swallowed up by urgent requests or last-minute changes. That's the space where Reclaim.ai comes in. It's not just another digital calendar. It's an AI-powered scheduling and time management tool that works on top of your existing Google and Outlook calendar. Its main goal is to help you automatically plan your time so you can reduce scheduling conflicts, protect focus time, and still keep your personal commitments in place. Let's dig deeper into what exactly Reclaim.ai is and how it works. When you connect it to your Google or Outlook calendar, it becomes an intelligent layer that arranges your meetings, tasks, and habits based on your priorities. You tell it what matters most, and it moves things around to match. The key difference from a normal calendar is that it's dynamic. It doesn't just paste events into the same spot every week. If something changes, it adapts without you having to reshuffle everything. Reclaim is designed for individuals and teams who are tired of losing hours to manual scheduling. It's also meant to help you integrate work and life so you don't have to choose between hitting a deadline and taking a lunch break. Now, let's talk about getting started. The setup is quick. You connect your Google or Outlook calendar, set your working hours, and add any personal hours you want to protect. Then you define priority levels for your tasks, habits, and meetings. From there, Reclaim starts making adjustments automatically. You can also decide how defensive your focus time should be, meaning how much it should protect that time from being overridden. Once you've got the basics set, you can start adding tasks and habits directly or by connecting other apps. The scheduling engine works quietly in the background, slotting everything into the best possible places. Now, let's get into the features. But instead of listing them one by one, let's group them by the kind of problem they solve. First, protecting personal time. Reclaim's habit scheduling goes beyond simple recurring events. If you want to go for a run 3 times a week or have a daily reading break, it fits those into your calendar based on priority. If a meeting conflicts with your usual lunch, it moves lunch instead of removing it. Over time, habit tracking analytics show how much time you're actually spending, making it easier to adjust it if you've been skipping. Another way it protects your personal time is through no meeting days, where you can block an entire day from meetings while still scheduling tasks and habits. Buffer time is also key, adding breaks between meetings so you're not rushing back to back. Next, getting work done. Task management lets you add tasks, set priorities and deadlines, and have Reclaim find the right time slots. Big projects can be broken down into smaller sessions automatically. You can sync tasks from tools like Asana, ClickUp, Jira, Todoist, Google Tasks, Linear, and more. Focus time ensures your most important work is protected from interruptions. And the planner feature automatically builds your ideal daily plan so everything flows without you manually rearranging events. And then there's coordinating with others. Smart meetings can make finding the best time for one-on-one or group calls simple, checking everyone's availability and priorities before confirming. Scheduling links let others book time only in the slots you want to share. You can sync multiple Google calendars, work, personal, family, in one place to avoid double booking. Finally, tracking how you spend your time. With time tracking, you can analyze how much of your week goes to meetings, tasks, and habits, and see patterns in your work-life balance. This helps you adjust priorities and improve how you manage your schedule over time. Reclaim also works well with other tools in your workflow. It integrates with Slack to sync your status, Zoom to connect your meetings, Raycast for Mac, and webhooks for automating workflows. This way, your calendar, tasks, and communications all stay in sync without you having to jump between platforms. All right, let's be fair and look at the limitations. Reclaim now works with both Google Calendar and Outlook Calendar, but if you rely on Apple Calendar, there's still no direct integration yet. There's also no dedicated mobile app. You can use it in your browser on a phone, but it's not quite the same experience. Some users might find the automation a bit restrictive at first, especially if they're used to manually adjusting their calendars. And while it schedules tasks well and connects with popular project management tools, it's not a full project management platform, so you won't find features like file storage or complex reporting here. On to pricing. Prices listed here are billed yearly, which saves you 20% compared to monthly billing. The Lite plan is free forever with 1 seat, a 1-week scheduling range, unlimited focus time, 1 habit, and limited integrations. Starter is $8 per user per month for up to 10 seats with an 8-week range, unlimited habits, 3 scheduling links, and full integrations. Business is $12 for up to 100 seats with a 12-week range, unlimited links and meetings, delegated access, and webhooks. Enterprise is $18 for over 100 seats, adding SSO and SCIM provisioning. All paid plans have a free trial plus discounts, 50% off for students for 12 months and 20% off for nonprofits, startups, and those switching from Clockwise, Motion, or Calendly. So, who will benefit most? Reclaim.ai is ideal for busy professionals who balance meetings, tasks, and personal commitments and want a tool to help keep all of it in order. It's useful for team leaders coordinating schedules, entrepreneurs managing multiple roles, and anyone who wants to build personal habits into their workday without sacrificing productivity. To wrap up, here's my take. Reclaim.ai is not trying to replace your entire workflow. It's focused on making your calendar smarter so you can protect your time, focus on what matters, and still keep space for life outside of work. Of course, it's not perfect, but the ability to automatically adjust your schedule, protect habits, and defend focus time makes it a strong option if your days often change at the last minute. All right, I hope this was helpful. If you're curious, I'd suggest giving it a try. You can use my link down in the description of this video. Thank you very much for your support. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.